Welcome back to the channel. This right here is F.O.M. DTF, and what I'm doing is going through my old videos and looking to see which ones I feel that's real knowledgeable or valuable to the people that's out here trying to find out what's the best DTF printer for home base or commercial, or if you wanted to start home base and then just gradually work your way up, what's the best printer for you. This video right here got overlooked, didn't get that much views when I actually published this video. So now what we about to do is go back over, and I feel that all the videos that I think should be up to the people's standard, and trying to select a good printer for home-based business production, this is what we're going to talk about. So let's get into this video, guys, and I hope you like it. Yay. What's good? We back with another video, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all know who I am. My name is AL, and I'm a printer, and I started off printing with a L1800, just like anybody else, or within that nature of a desktop printer. So we're gonna get into it. Gonna give you guys some valuable information. This information FYI. Okay, let's get into it. So we're gonna talk about this actual printer that you see that's right here, right, guys and ladies and gentlemen, and another L1800 that you see that's right here. And these printers come in different colors too. Don't be fooled. Let me go ahead and back this up just a little bit. They come in different colors. Version L1800. Black, green, blue, Asian white, version, red, white. L1800. This is a cheaper version. You can buy this right here at a cheaper price than this. This is well overpriced. A lot of companies have this. Different colors. Maybe a black and green one, or whatever color. So, but the thing about these printers right here, if people are printing, you're going to get good quality images, just like as this you see right here, going out to one of my good customers / friends. Shout out to Color Works out there in Belize. This was going forward. She got a shout out to my boy coming up, and been up for a while actually. So, but what this is right here, and this is, it's the same exact printer. You can print 1440, 720, 2880 if it goes up to, but this one don't print at 2880, but this one capable of printing 2880. But it's hard to run a business with these printers, ladies and gentlemen. Not only that, you have paper feeding issues, transfer feeding issues. Every time you put a transfer inside, it don't catch the transfer properly. And that's on both. This one is a little bit forgiving because this roller is a different type of roller that sits inside. It's easier to grab versus the roller that's inside here. That's not easy to grab. That's in the bottom right there in the corner. You can see right about it in here, right there. Boom, boom, boom. But otherwise than that, this is a good printer. But this is not a good production printer. You can't do large gain sheets at a fast, high volume with either one of these printers. They're slow. They don't print as fast. Not taking nothing from them. They're entry-level printers to get familiar with trying to learn how to print. Now, the difference between these, if you can see on this printer right here, let me slide this one over a little bit. The difference on this printer, it has an ink stir. So it stirs the white. Okay, and over here on this one, as you can see, I got caps off because I was converting this over to actual sublimation, so I was cleaning it out, filtering everything out. But other than that, it doesn't have an ink stir. You have to stir it by itself. But see, up inside what I was telling you guys earlier, down in the bottom right here, it has a problem catching the transfer film. It slides right out because the film is coated and it's slippery, so when it comes in, it slides right out. And that'll hurt your back. Keep reaching over trying to get that one film to load. And if you got 10 or 15 or 20 or 30, 40 transfers you got to do, you're having transfer film loading issues, it's going to be a problem. That's why what they do with these printers, they buy or convert them to roll feed. They have a roll feeder on here, so you can use rolls instead of using single sheets. Another thing what they do too, they can put Well, they would add an attachment to speed the print head up, like a speed box to make the print faster, but I don't know how long it would last getting that hot with this printer, to keep that in mind. But it can put out some nice quality prints. Both of these printers can print excellent. And what I didn't mention was this. They have a lever that they actually use to attach to, so it'll make your prints more easy, and you won't get no puddling, you won't get no head strike. And what I mean by that, it's a little mechanism you can add, and it has a lever to where it has an up button and a down button, so when you push it, it can slide the film down further. So when the print head actually prints, it don't print from the tip of the film, and the back of the film be waving like this. That will give you that head strike, or give you that actual what you called when you see your prints actually, this looks terrible when it comes back and forth and it starts to smear across, smudge. That's because the paper is too far at the tip. You want to get that lever and push the down button, and it slides the paper further down. So when you print in the middle or 2 inches from the tip, and it won't give you that waving in the paper. That's what I meant to say. So I hope it makes sense. They just print too slow, and they're not good for you if you're trying to start a home-based business at all. So, not trying to smut anybody out, but I know people on a budget. You have to start from somewhere, but the printer is capable of putting out high-quality images. I'm going to show you some images here, a couple of them. We can lay them out for you guys so you guys can see what this printer is capable of doing. And I'm not trying to just tell anybody anything to try to say, hey, this printer is not the one for you. Whatever you can afford is what you can afford. Just give you some information. You can print out nice quality images like this, as you can see. Non-stop continuous. It prints this quality images out. I'm not going to cap you guys out. I'm going to tell you exactly what it's capable of printing out. This image right here can print out nice stuff just like this. But it just will take you a very long time. Now, versus people saying, hey, you're going to spend a nice chunk of change for a printer, and you're not trying to spend, a super, super high price, but something that's affordable, and go get you one of these right here. DX6 print head, one print head. You can print 12-inch, 13-inch, 24-inch rolls. It don't lay a lot of ink down. It's good on ink. You can make a good living off this printer right here, ladies and gentlemen. And you can switch your ink channels, how it sets up. So when the white comes in, it don't come in a color, then a white. It'll come in a white, or a color, then a white, a color, then a white. So it evenly transitions. Capping station. It has air pressure. It's easy to clean. It has more than one way you can clean in pairs, or clean normal, or clean power, or anything like that of that nature. And it plugs right into your average wall with a 110 power volt. Don't have to go get adapters, don't have to go get your electrical system rearranged. The whole 220 volts, big old power supply. You don't have to worry about two print heads printing super fast, wasting a lot of ink, or 4 print heads printing 4 times as fast, wasting a lot of ink. Imagine how much ink you're going to spend within 6 months to a year with a successful print shop, with a big printer like this, Asian printer or whatever printer. Just imagine that, guys. I always say that in my videos for a reason. Because when the test of time, it's going to tell, like, wow, I spent this much of it. Wow, man. Dang, trust me, I know these things, y'all. So when people want to know and want to get the proper information, come to the channel, subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, let people know what's going on, because we here to empower people. If you guys want good quality transfers, or you a business, you want to outsource, see what it is. This is what's going on. These right here are going straight to Belize. You can see the quality inside that. We have good quality inside that, ladies and gentlemen. You can see the quality in this right here too, as well as great too. So we're not playing any games here. What we're doing is educate people. So I'll make this video not too long. Got to do more cleaning up. I was, enjoying myself. But to get you guys on a good note before I leave, This is a good printer, but it's not capable of handling high value prints unless you got 5 and 6 of them, 7 or 8 of them. All that maintenance, all that ink. Hope you don't have a problem. You got to fix this and fix that one. Just get you one printer can knock all this out. So what I was doing is trying to educate people. Like a female, she had a L1800 printer, and she had, did a picture of a lion, and I did a picture of a lion, and I was trying to show her the actual picture. So let me show you guys. Hold on, give me a second. All right, so that's gone. That's over with. So the main thing is this. When you watch the channel, these are the old videos that you guys need to go and watch to get the education you guys need for my best ability. Because I'm not no professional, I'm not no guru. I'm just an average Joe that been printing for a while, and I learned a little bit. So I'm here to share all the information with the people that's out there. So this video is about to get cut short. I appreciate the ones for watching. I hope this right here can give you guys a little more insight of what's going on with certain type of printers that you're trying to figure out which one is good for DTF, home base, commercial, production. So this is things you need to know, because if you don't, then you'll find yourself spending a lot of money. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching the channel. Share, like, comment. If you haven't, subscribe, cut the notification bells on to all, and get new content. It's about to drop because we going up, and we also about to, well, I'm gonna keep it to the next video. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, y'all.